Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you guys well. Welcome back to my IGTV. If you want to see how I do this makeup look, please keep watching. So for moisturizer, I'm using 24K Gold Serum by Beautify by Amna. इसको पूरे फेस पे अच्छी तरह से लगा लेंगे। मॉइस्चराइज़ करना अपनी स्किन को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है। आपकी स्किन पे जो पैचेस आ जाते हैं फाउंडेशन लगाने के बाद, वो नहीं आते अगर आप मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा लोगे। For primer, I'm using Beautify by Amna Portrait Primer. It's silicone based primer and it makes a lot of difference and make my makeup a little bit longer. For filling my eyebrows, I'm using Beauty Icon Eyebrows Gel in shade Dark Brown. इससे हम अपने आईब्रो की शेप बना लेंगे और इसमें फिलिंग कर लेंगे। इसी तरह हम अपनी दूसरे आई पे भी करेंगे सेम। और हम ब्लेंड कर लेंगे स्पूली की मदद से। ब्लेंडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस, इट गिव्स यू अ नेचुरल लुक। For concealer, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Concealer. किसी भी फ्लफ़ी ब्रश के साथ आप इसको अपने आईज़ पे पूरे ब्लेंड कर लेंगे। कंसीलर लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, इसलिए क्योंकि जब आप फाउंडेशन लगाते हो तो आपकी आई का कलर उससे थोड़ा डार्क होता है, इसलिए कंसीलर लगाते हैं। कंसीलर लगाने से हमारा सेम शेड हो जाता है अपने फेस के हिसाब से। ठीक है, अब हम अपनी आईज़ को बेक कर लेंगे। जब भी कंसीलर लगाते हैं बेकिंग उतनी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाती है, क्योंकि आपके आई पे एक क्रीज़ बन जाती है। वो क्रीज़ ना बने उसके लिए आपको आई शेड लगाना पड़ता है। लाइक आप स्किन कलर का लगा सकते हो, कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर लगा सकते हो, लूज़ पाउडर लगा सकते हो, जो आपको ईज़िली अवेलेबल हो। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस शेड एंड अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर माई क्रीज़। And taking the same shade into my inner corners, just blending it out. Now I'm taking this green shade from a Beauty Gazette palette and applying it in my crease, blending everything out together. Guys, the key to good smoky eyes is blending. The better you blend, the beautiful your makeup is going to look. Now it's time to cut crease. For crease cut, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm taking flat brush. And the shade I'm going to be using for my eyelids is this beautiful golden shimmer shade. These shimmers are so pigmented on their own. Just look at this. Look how creamy and buttery it is. If you want to really make the edge of the Hello Eye look really sharp around the crease area, let's do this trick and it's so much easier. So I'm applying a light shade in the middle part, and I'm going in the combination of two colors, and I'm gonna apply that like in between the light on the middle part of the eyelid and in between the darkness. So this is actually the same as we do with the crease. We wanna create nice transition from dark to light. So that's why we were using the shade like in between, so the edges look more soft. Now I'm gonna use this glitter shade. Now one more time I'm using the black eyeshadow, and I'm applying this starting the part of outer V, and I'm blending more towards the inner part. Now I'm using a green color under my lower lash line to smudge out a lower lash line and make it look like even more blended. So for my waterline, I'm gonna use this kajal. This one of my favorite kajal because it's like a jet black color, really warm, and when you apply it on your waterline, it gives you smoky look and really affordable. For eyeliner, I'm using Miss Rose eyeliner. It's one of my favorite eyeliner. It worked perfectly for me. I have been using it for a really long time, and I would definitely recommend it. Now I'm taking my favorite mascara by Essence. Now it's time to apply false lashes. So I bought this from local market. For foundation, I'm using Mr. Misbah foundation, and I'm gonna start applying it on my face. Don't forget your neck, guys. It's really important to match your face with your neck. So next step, I'm gonna move on to the concealer. It's from Makeup Revolution, shade is C2. Hey guys, I'm so sorry, unfortunately my video not recorded, so I'm gonna show you which products I used. So for contouring, I'm using this Elegal Pro contour stick, and I use this bronzer. I tried this bronzer in previous videos, and whoa, it's really nice bronzer. I'm gonna add some of it top of head and blend it into the hairline. This will kind of contour forehead, and also some blush, and highlight my face with this highlighter by Makeup Revolution Sofix. highlighted my inner corners as well. Yeah, it's time for lipstick. I use these two shades and gloss. If you guys enjoying watching these videos, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.